So far, Revit does not have a tool that makes it simple to create your own pattern. But pyRevit has a tool that makes this process a lot easier. To start out, you should create a drafting view where you can draw all your new patterns. Name it something that makes sense to you and put the scale in 1 to 10. Draw your pattern with any line style of your choosing. In this case, I've used thin line styles. The pattern should be like a rectangle, though you do not need to draw an actual rectangle. So for example, in this case, you just have a starting point and an end point of a pattern. And these 2 points is fine also. When you're happy with your lines for your pattern, highlight all of the lines and go to pyRevit and click on the Make Pattern tool. In this dialog, start out by naming your new pattern. Choose your pattern type. I'm going to choose model pattern. And it's also always a good idea to create filled region. As earlier, we choose 1 to 10, so that's the captured view scale. And the rest, keep that in the default as it already is, but you can always change that later as a standard pattern type. So now it's all set up, and you can go and click Create Pattern. Now you should be able to see an orange bar at the top of your Revit window saying Pick Origin Point, which is the bottom left corner of the pattern area. Then the next step is to pick top right corner of the pattern area. So that's the 2 points we needed to have, as I mentioned earlier. So when you click on that, a warning window should show up that tells us that the pattern is either created or updated. So you can click OK, and your pattern is now created. To demonstrate, you should go to the Manage tab and Additional Settings to go in and find the fill pattern that we just created. So again, this was a model type, and you can see it's here at the top. Also, we created a filled region, which we also should be able to find in here. You can also try to go to a 3D view, where in this example we have a wall, a brick wall, and try to change the surface pattern. So it's a model type. There we have the new surface pattern as well.